Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol I. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the green line annotation here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. The uptrend continues. That's been being constructed over the past few days. Obviously last week things got really nasty and the price took a beating. But since then, the price just been slowly and surely grinding its way upwards. So first going to do here is just adjust this the level of support upwards. The key dynamic here is, what direction is the support being adjusted? And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, assuming, of course, you're bullish and along, that's always a good thing. The worst thing you would want to see is support levels needing to be adjusted lower and lower, but that's not what happened here. Support level needed to be adjusted higher. So 340, one of the newest areas of support. And I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but definitely an area where ideally you want to see the price stay above it. If the price were to come down to 340 and then break down through it at that point, again, does that ruin everything? No, but that would be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it already was. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here to 340, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, at least you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that's the name of the game. You just want to see continued progress going forward. And in this scenario, that 340 mark is, that ideal area of, of quote unquote progress, where if the price can stay above it, that would definitely be a great sign of power. What about areas of resistance going forward? So red for resistance. Nothing fancy or complicated here. Key level going forward, going to be right up there at that area at $3.75. So 375, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way I look at it, the trend continues. So let's see how this week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.